the toilet isn't flushing and it's barely flushing, hold the lever down, count to 5. Now we have a stronger flush. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Here's how to get the strongest flush possible from your toilet. First of all, let's take a look over here. Our lever is on the left-hand side to flush the toilet. All we need to do is push this down and hold it for just a second. I'm gonna do a little trick though. I'm gonna take the lid off. We're gonna take a look and see how much water goes down when I flush. Look at that, barely anything. So let's do it again. And this toilet's having some problems here. And let's do it again and let's hold down this lever on the left-hand side. Ready? You know what? I'm actually gonna do it one more time and I'll hold it down for just a second and let's see if it flushes better. So what this particular toilet is doing is as soon as I let go of the lever, it's automatically stopping the flush and the plunger is going down immediately. This toilet needs some parts replacement. However, what we can do here is we can hold down that lever. So now, first of all, we need to let the tank fill up completely. Now that it's full, let's flush one last time and let's hold the lever down for 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. So that stays up. Now we have a stronger flush. It did a full flush. And you can see the water at the very bottom. I'm still holding down the lever just to kind of show you. See how the lever goes up and down? Now this time, I made sure that all of the water in this tank behind, all of that water made it out into the toilet bowl. Hey friends, I hope this helps you out. The long and short of it is, if the toilet isn't flushing and it's barely flushing, hold the lever down, count to 5, and then let go. See if you get the same result I did. Hey friends, hope today's video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.